that the door secure team? I bought a garage roller door and it's just awful. It's flimsy, it rattles, and I just don't think it's safe. Can you just please come out?
Evie, get out here.
What are we looking at, boss?
It's another one, just like the others.
Why do people keep falling for these rubbish doors?
People think all roller doors are the same. They may look the same, but when you get underneath...
You see what they're really made of.
Exactly.
I'll get the rest of the team.
This door needs no introduction, for all the wrong reasons. We've been through a million of them. This is our bread and butter. As long as people still get hoodwinked into buying this rubbish, we'll always be in business. And when we're through with this, we'll make sure the homeowner gets a proper door, that she isn't terrified of failing on her. Yes?
Yes, boss.
Yes, boss.
Hand it. You're up.
Hang on, boss. I can do this one in my sleep.
I know you can, but normally we don't need a big fella for these jobs. You can't do them all. And Stuart, he's getting on a bit.
Door secure team ready. Hold. Hold. Go, go, go. I think that's lunch. If you've been sold a roller door and no one else will help, maybe you can call the door secure team.
Or just avoid all that stress and go with a aromatic tea from Herman.